All right, time for another transformation. Rotations. This is what it sounds like. You rotate something, you spin something, right? So a turn something. That's another name for it here. Around a given point. We'll practice it. So a rotation is a transformation that turns a figure about a fixed point. The preimage and image are again congruent. So here's my point R, my point of rotation, and I'm going to warn you right now that I can put that point anywhere I want. I can make it one of the actual points of the shape itself. I can make it something inside of it, whatever I want. So anyway, rotate R and assume, by the way, counterclockwise rotation unless otherwise stated. So unless I say clockwise, assume counterclockwise. So that's, in this case, this direction around point R. So I start here. A rotates to A prime, N to N prime, L to L prime, U to U prime. And when we rotate these, we rotate them a given number of degrees. And I'm going to be nice to you. These are going to be like, 90 degrees, stuff like that. It's not going to be like 27.2 degrees. In another class, later on in more advanced stuff, you'll rotate in what are called radians and things like that. But for now, I'm not going to make it horrible on you. It's just the idea that you're able to move it. Always make sure same size, same shape. It's congruent when you're done. Along with that, again, the center of rotation is the fixed point from which a figure is rotated. So this is the center of rotation. And if I were to label these right, it would go... This one's rotating clockwise. It should be counterclockwise. So the arrow should go the other way. From here to here. From here to here. From here to here. In addition to the center, the point, you have to be given an angle of rotation. So the angle of rotation is the angle from which the preimage to the image in a rotation, or the angle from the preimage to the image. So 180 degrees takes it all the way around. All the way around. 90 would have taken it to here. And you can go 360 and come all the way back around, and the pre-image and the image would be the same. I might do that to you. It could happen. You want to make sure in labels we do it, A to A prime, so on and so forth. But right now we're just talking about the angle of rotation.